In 642, we start looking at actual internals and code of most of the actual systems. So while in 542, you're looking at the traditional application attacks that you'd find, a SQL injection attack or something like that. In 642, what we're actually doing is we're going in and we're showing students the internals of, say, Java, PHP, Python, and we're actually showing them how these applications are constructed fundamentally, right? We're not asking them to be a developer by any stretch of the imagination, but you're showing a lot of code, you're seeing how things are constructed, and you're actually able to read code and interpret bugs. That's the idea. So what we're showing students with the skill set they're getting out of it is how to start spotting the defects that are in an application, how to actually take those defects and start to take advantage and abuse them. We're not obscuring that from the student. They're actually able to see the internals of the system.